Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of tablets and how they can seriously level up your studying, reading, and online class game. Let's face it, juggling textbooks, notes, and a laptop can be a real hassle. That's where tablets come in. They're portable, versatile, and can streamline your workflow in ways you might not have imagined. First up, let's talk about studying. Tablets are fantastic for taking notes. Forget bulky notebooks. With a stylus and a good note-taking app, you can write, draw, and annotate directly on your PDFs or lecture slides. Plus, everything is searchable and easily organized. You can even record audio while taking notes, linking your writing to specific parts of the lecture. Think about it: no more frantically flipping through pages to find that one crucial detail. And, of course, the portability is a game changer. Studying on the go, at the library, or in your favorite coffee shop. Easy peasy. Now, for all the bookworms out there, tablets are a reading dream come true. You can store thousands of books in a single device, access them instantly, and adjust the font size and brightness to your liking. Reading at night? No problem. Most tablets have a blue light filter to reduce eye strain. Plus, many e-reading apps offer features like highlighting, note-taking, and dictionary lookups, so you can engage with the text in a much deeper way. It's like having a library in your hands. Next, let's look at online classes. Tablets are perfect for attending virtual lectures and participating in online discussions. You can easily access video conferencing platforms, view presentations, and even take notes simultaneously. The larger screen size of many tablets makes it easier to see everything. And the portability allows you to set up your study space wherever you are comfortable. Some tablets even support multitasking, so you can have your video lecture and note-taking app open side by side. Imagine the convenience. Also, many tablets have excellent battery life, so you don't have to worry about constantly searching for a power outlet during a long class. Of course, choosing the right tablet is key. Consider factors like screen size, storage capacity, battery life, and the operating system. If you plan to use it heavily for note-taking, a stylus is a must-have. Research different models and read reviews to find one that fits your specific needs and budget. Also, think about the apps you'll be using most. Make sure the tablet supports them and that they're optimized for the device. There are many great tablets out there, from budget-friendly options to high-end models with all the bells and whistles. In conclusion, tablets offer a powerful and versatile way to enhance your studying, reading, and online class experience. They streamline your workflow, provide convenient access to information, and offer a comfortable and portable way to learn. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your productivity and make your life easier, a tablet might just be the perfect investment. Thanks for watching, and happy studying. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of tablets and exploring how they can be a game changer for studying, reading, and online classes. In an age where digital learning is becoming the norm, having the right tech tools is crucial. So, let's see what tablets bring to the table. First off, let's talk about studying. Tablets are essentially portable digital notebooks. You can take notes, highlight textbooks, and even record lectures. Many tablets support styluses, which allow for a more natural writing experience. Imagine being able to annotate PDFs directly, sketch diagrams, or take handwritten notes that automatically convert to text. Plus, you can organize all your study materials in one place, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. Next up, reading. Tablets are fantastic e-readers. They're lightweight, have adjustable brightness, and offer various font sizes. You can download ebooks from various platforms and have access to an entire library in your hands. This is perfect for students who need to read a lot of textbooks, or anyone who loves to curl up with a good book. Some tablets also offer features like blue light filters, which can reduce eye strain during long reading sessions. Now, let's look at online classes. Tablets are ideal for attending virtual lectures, participating in video calls, and accessing online learning platforms. They're more portable than laptops, making them perfect for studying on the go. Tablets usually have decent front-facing cameras and microphones, ensuring clear video and audio during online classes. Some also support multitasking, so you can take notes while watching a lecture. However, the screen size might be a consideration for complex applications or detailed content. Consider this, depending on your class needs. When choosing a tablet for these purposes, consider a few key features. First, the screen size and quality. A larger screen might be better for reading and taking notes, while a higher resolution will make text and images clearer. Second, the processing power. If you'll be using demanding apps or multitasking, you'll want a tablet with a fast processor and sufficient RAM. Third, battery life. You'll want a tablet that can last through a full day of classes or study sessions. Fourth, the operating system. Android, iOS, and Windows all offer different strengths, so choose one that suits your needs. Finally, consider the accessories. A stylus and a keyboard can significantly enhance the tablet's functionality for studying and taking notes. In conclusion, tablets are versatile devices that can greatly enhance your studying, reading, and online class experience. They offer portability, convenience, and a range of features designed for digital learning. Whether you're a student, a lifelong learner, or just someone who enjoys reading, a tablet could be a valuable investment. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.